Hey guys, it's me, Regina, serving you some curls today, and this is actually my favorite way of wearing my hair. And here I'll be showing you how. Let's begin. I'll be using today is a curling iron. This one I believe is 1-inch diameter, though I would suggest if you have a bigger barrel, I would use that instead. But I currently don't have that because mine is stuck in the Philippines. I have 3 hair ties just to keep my hair away and organized. What I do is I go from the top of my ears and I go straight to the back. I separate that. Then I will tie this up. I think also the best hair to curl with is the day after you shower. No conditioner. Yeah, just me. That's just me. I also have hairspray that I got here that was on sale. It's pretty good. So yeah, I'll just split my hair in half. You're keeping it in front since we will start here first. I'm going to take this. You're going to keep your curling iron horizontal for this. And we are going to curl like this way. And we're going to leave this end straight. So you'll see why the bigger barrel works better. So we're going to stop just here. Curl in about 4 seconds because it's pretty hot. Kind of creates a curl like this. And then you will take the straight part and you will curl outwards. And this will be vertical. This is how it looks. This is the curl that you want to go outwards. So this, it's just texture for volumizing. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. So I finished this side. There was only 3 strands. I'll just take all of them together just so it'll marry and curl all of them outward. There you go. Just to keep it secure, because I do have that Asian straight hair, which does not cooperate if you don't. So just very light, just a light spritz. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. Right, so I finished that and I'm just gonna get all of them here on this side and marry them together. Right, so you can see the curl goes right there. Okay, yeah, let's just spray. Now, the rest of the hair. What I like to do is, since the roots are not curled, I do tie my hair and we release these and part it the way you want. So I part mine just slightly off center and then take it apart. Now then, just to keep it neat, just tie this up into a bun. Take a piece. If you have a bigger barrel, I think you can grab larger pieces of hair, but this is how much I take. The direction will be away from your face. So what you will do, start at the root and then you turn an inch by inch, releasing your clamp until you have a full hair wrapped around your barrel. So let it sit there for like 5 seconds then you release. Then you just have this strand of hair, right? Then do the same by inching down until you wrap hair again around your barrel. So let it sit there for about 3 to 4 seconds and then release once more. There. Now until you reach the end. So this depends on how long your hair is. So since mine is kind of long, there's like 2 stops until you hit the end. But I remember when my hair was shorter, I would just need 1 stop. So yeah, there's your, and this is how the curl looks. Like waves, right? It's not like Goldilocks curls. It's waves. That's what I'm gonna do with the rest of my hair. Before I move forward, every 2 strands of hair, so after this I'll go in the same direction, but then after that I'll curl on the opposite direction, just so that my hair has more volume, because if it's all in one, it ends up kind of flat here. Usually if it's the opposite direction, what I'll do is grab the piece of hair around the top of my head, right here, then curl forward. Doing the same thing. And again. Then release. It's a pretty curl. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair. So before you continue, I'm going to do something a little different with this part of my hair that's on the front part. It's pretty much the layers that frame my face. Take pieces, starting from the back. I'll still curl the same way, but the position of the curling iron will just be different. So instead of vertical, it'll be slightly slanted to frame my face, right? So it'll just create a small difference with the curl. I just think it makes a difference for me. So there, and then release once more, and still going down diagonally. So I'll go ahead and continue that. And we will leave the bangs alone for now. So this is how it looks all together. Looks like soft waves for now. So I don't want to touch it yet because we're not done. So I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of hairspray, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side off cam. I have finished curling the rest of my hair. About the face framing, right? So what I'm gonna do is create, oh, this is a good view. So my iron's quite hot, so I'm gonna go by it fast. So we're gonna go up. There you go. So I'm just gonna hold it up so that the heat settles in my hair with a big curl like this. It's a bit curled in the bottom, but I need more curl up top. I'm gonna hold it up. There's a bit of height there, right? So then I'll take the bottom and just glide through it outwards, away from your face. So it has a bit of a S curve. And then I'm gonna let go of this little ponytail of my bottom hair. Just gonna run my fingers through my scalp. Just doing this, not through your hair, just a bit from the scalp, shaking your head. I do this a little bit. Let's bring your hair to the front and let's fix up my hair. The curls, the spirals are there, but it's not bulky, right? So with that technique, it helps keep the spiral there, but a bit flatter. So see, look at that curl. It's nice to toss around. Sometimes even if I pull my hair up, looks good still. Thank you guys for sticking around, and I hope you guys liked this hair tutorial. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit that like button so I know that this is something that you like. So I'll see you guys around. Bye!